हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है स्नेहाशीष पाड़ी। आपको इस लेक्चर में स्वागत करता हूँ। तो फिर हम जान सकते हैं कि चैप्टर नंबर 1 जो कि है बेसिक कंसेप्ट इन एनवायरनमेंट एंड इकोलॉजी। सो वी इन दिस वीडियो विल बी डिस्कसिंग द बेसिक concepts of environment and ecology. So let me explain you the detailed explanation about the chapter, and I will be giving explanation in both Hindi as well as English. Do not get confused. The mediums or the students who are belonging to Hindi category do not have to get worried about what I am saying. Just they should have to know how they can even remember, how they can even catch English words which are even necessary for each and every competitive examination, not only in UPSC but also for each and every examination which they are going to appear in their upcoming future. So let me, without wasting time, let me move to the basic concept of environment. What we are going to discuss in that. So what is the role which has been playing in the environment, and what is the role which has been playing in the ecosystem of one's environment. So there is a differentiation between what is ecosystem and what is environment. So from the starting onwards, we have been studying about what is an ecosystem. From the starting onwards, we even have even a small child can even say that what is meant by environment, right? So environment consists of houses, environment consists of trees, environment consists of different organisms which usually stay at a specified place. That is called environment, right? So basically, that's the bookish definition which has been written. Okay, so if we discuss about what is environment, then each and everyone will stick with trees, plants, mountains, plateaus, plains, geography, then after buildings, infrastructure, transportation. So these are the different combinations of different spheres. By combining different spheres, we can even constitute to a specified point that it is an environment. So combining all the spheres, we can say that it is an environment, because even it is there in the environment, it is there inside in the environment, we can say that. When we discuss about biosphere, when we discuss about hydrosphere, when we discuss about biohydro, then after atmosphere, then after lithosphere, those combining all those things, it forms an environment, because everything has been constituted in a single part that is called environment. Why we can say that it is an environment? Because the basic criteria, we know that it is an environment because it consists of atmosphere. We know that air which is present in the atmosphere. That's the reason why we call it as an atmosphere. Then after when we are going to discuss about hydrosphere, then everyone sticks with one specified point, that is this one. What is there in the bottom? That is all about water, right? So that's the thing which has been present in hydrosphere. Then whenever we are going to discuss about what is lithosphere, then everyone sticks with the plants, the creatures which are staying in soil or on the landform in which they are been staying. So that's the region, that's the point, that's the sticks. Okay, that's the sticking point, we can even say that. Then after coming to biosphere, the living organisms which is present in the atmosphere is known as biosphere, right? So constituting all the things, we can form a specified topic. We can come to a specified topic that it is an atmosphere. Okay, right? So this is what about the topic is. This is what about the basic concepts of environment is. So when it comes for ecology, then the study of environment, we can say that it is an environment or ecosystem, right? So that's the point in which we are going to discuss about. That's the thing which we are going to discuss in the video lecture. So I hope you have got the introduction part of chapter 1. So soon I will be delivering the chapter 1 explanation to you. So in this introduction video of basic concept of environment and ecology, I hope that you have got sufficient idea about what I am saying. So अंत में मैं यही बोलूँगा कि मैं एक भी वर्ड जो कि मैं स्टार्ट किया, अंत तक एक भी वर्ड मैं हिंदी में नहीं बोला, ठीक है? आई होप दैट, मैं आशा करता हूँ कि हर एक हिंदी मीडियम स्टूडेंट will and should have to understand what I even had said in English. Okay? इंग्लिश में मैं जो भी मैं बोला था ना, अंग्रेजी भाषा में मैं जो भी बोला था ना, वो सभी छात्रों को या फिर स्टूडेंट जो कि हिंदी माध्यम से आए हैं उनको एक्सप्लेन हो चुका होगा, वो मेरा आशा है, ठीक है? तो फिर आशा करता हूँ कि आप समझ गए हो। धन्यवाद।